Do you love food? Obviously, the food is very important part of life. Let us move on to the nutrition. Nutrition is a critical part of health and development. Better nutrition is related to improved infant, child and maternal health, stronger immune system, safer pregnancies and childbirth. And also nutrition can lower the risk of non-communicable diseases. So let us move on to the nutrition in plants. All the living organisms needs some form of energy and nutrients to lead their life and protecting their body from damage. Nutrition, which is a mode of taking food by an organisms and its utilization by the body in order to survive. So what are the nutrients? Nutrients are the compounds in food essential to life and health, providing us with energy, and nutrients are the building blocks for repair and growth, and also these are the substances necessary to regulate the chemical processes. There are 6 different types of nutrients, which are carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, vitamins, minerals and lastly the water. What is mode of nutrition? All living beings need some form of food that should be consumed for their energy requirement. Plants can synthesize food by themselves, but animals, including human beings, cannot do that. They get it from plants or they eat the animals which eat plants. Thus, humans and animals are directly or indirectly depending on the plants. This consumption of food, which is fulfilled by either direct preparation or depending on other beings, so-called mode of nutrition. So the mode of nutrition is further categorized into 2 different types. Those are autotrophic mode of nutrition. The other one is heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Auto means self. Trophos means nourishment. So autotrophic mode of nutrition is nothing but the preparation of food by the process of photosynthesis with the basic substances from the environment. The photosynthesis will be taking place in all the green plants.